One of my all-time favorite kids-friendly desserts is this microwave fruit crisp that has fruits, oats, and nuts. All great things that give our bodies important nutrients. It's also an easy recipe for kids to help with. So get your little chefs and let's go. To make this, you'll need a microwave-safe dish, bowl, measuring cups and spoons, a spatula, a cutting board, and a knife. If the kids are cooking with you, they can use a plastic knife or a butter knife works just fine. Oh, and you'll need a microwave too. All my ingredients are laid out over here, starting with 2 cups of fruits that I sliced. I'm using some fresh berries for this, but you could also use frozen if you thaw it first, or canned fruit that has been rinsed to remove the extra sugar. I also have 2 tablespoons of butter that I let soften out of the fridge. You can also use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour, a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. You could also use chopped pecans or almonds if you have those instead. I'm going to start by putting the fruit at the bottom of my dish. You want the fruit to be about 1 inch deep at the bottom of the dish. So make sure you pick a dish that works best for that. Then, over here in my bowl, I'm going to mix together all the other ingredients. The butter, oats, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, and nuts. All right. Once that's mixed, I'm going to sprinkle it over the fruit. Now I pop this in the microwave for anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes, depending on what kind of fruit you use and how tender you want to get. Make sure to let it cool when you take it out of the microwave. And that's it. A delicious dessert packed with nutrients that everyone in the family will love. Thanks for joining me. I hope you've got some good ideas on how to use oats in your next meal. Until next time, for more recipes and healthy tips, visit CalFreshHealthyLiving.org.